Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 controller to your Moto G Stylus 5G phone. This is easy to do. Scroll on down from the top. Then we want to go to Bluetooth right here and hold down on this option. Then we want to go ahead and pair a new device. So let's go to pair new device. Then you want to put your PlayStation 5 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So hold down the sharing button right here and the PlayStation button at the same time. So let's do this, and the light bar will begin to blink after about 5 seconds. So it's blinking, and you can see on the phone the DualSense wireless controller showed up. Now on this phone you don't have to press like scan for devices or anything, it just open up, but you may have an option where you have to scan for a device. So let's select DualSense wireless controller and then go to pair, and the controller now is paired, indicated by the solid blue light. So I can go up and down the different menus now, and I should be good to go. I can even go back. And it looks like there was a mouse cursor on my screen, but at any point in time we can go back to the input right here and we can disconnect it from our device. So let's go to DualSense wireless controller and then go to forget right here, and it is completely removed. Now to turn off your controller, all you have to do is hold down the PlayStation button right here for about 10 to 15 seconds. It will turn it off when it's connected to your phone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.